No, I just saw.
I got him, I think. Yeah, I did. I got him. There might be two of them though. I can't tell. There's another one coming up behind. I think, unless they revived him.
Move! No! What the fuck? I'm getting really sick of you!
You got alive?
Yeah.
That's gotta have got him, yeah it did. They're gonna push us in a sec.
I think.
Go for it. They're trying to flank from this way. He just got fucking peppered. There's too many of them.
They're down on path as well. What do you want to put a drop? What's up left?
Is that the Grim Reaper?
Hey! Nice. Nice.
Right, go.
Push forward. Sorry, sorry. What about down there? Watch down there.
Yeah, we've got blue upstairs. Blue upstairs, pushing.
Nice.
Flanking from behind. Make sure I can spawn.
Shit man, fucking clips just come off.
Dead one. Nice, good push that.
Yeah, but now we've got to make use of it before they come back.
Yeah, push them.
Push the building.
Yep, go.
Watch your left. Watch your left. Watch your left.
Oh, you got a pistol?
Careful, their spawns to the right. Here, pistol.
Cheers!
Their spawns to the right. Where was that? There's a guy still behind this wall in front. They're gonna push us. They're gonna push us from pit.
Right shield. Hit! Man, try and get back up as soon as you can. Yeah, we'll do. We'll bring him in here and make it ready.
I think I'm out, to be honest. Yeah, I'd say it's been about 20 seconds. I didn't shout because I didn't want you. I didn't shout because I didn't want you to get killed.
True hero.
Because that's what heroes do.
I know. Just bled out for the good of the team. What? You'll die. I might be able to get him though. Whoa, whoa, nope, now they know we're here. Got him. Got one. One on the hill's dead. That's a small shield.
Yeah, you're telling me.
He's dead, he's dead. He was coming down the stairs. I got him before he hit the stairs. Wait, what? He just ran down?
Got it, swim!
I think he's dead. Saw a hand. I'm grenading behind the building. Got one. Hit! Good shot. I just... Got one. One's dead behind boat. I'll get him as soon as he comes out. Got one. I can't get a grenade over, there's too many trees. I can see it. I don't know why I even bothered.
No, mate, I can't fucking through this bush, it's got me.
I'd go round it if I were you. Have you seen how far around it you had to go?
Too far, sorry.
That archway is where they all... Oh, there's more there. Got one. Got one, yeah, he's up. There's another one to his left.
Heading down.
Oh, I just left you. Where's the medic man?
Not fast enough.
Got another. No, there's another coming through as well. I got one of them though.
I'm gonna get shot at fucking.
We get shot in the arse, yeah. Is that friendly? There's no way none of them hit. There we go. It just pops off.
Hello, mate.
Hey, bad man.
Good shit band, isn't it, that one?
What? all of a sudden, everyone's lost grenades.
Go, here we go. How did he not get it then?
Because that's the same guy that's ran across about 3 times and just ignored every hit he took.
Oh, that's alright then. No, we didn't take that out then.
Maybe we're just shit shots.
Possibly. I think I can't see where they are.
Yeah, I know.
Here we go. Oh, that's Marshall.
Oh, nearly.
Yeah, alright.
Should we run for that arch?
Yeah, let's do it then.
Because no one else has gone to the arch. Let's go to the arch. Yeah. Go this way. What? Fuck the boat. Shit. It's a bog. It's a bog. We can get these though.
Yep, yep. Fucking got to him, man. No way.
Yeah, I'm gonna run around to that arch in a minute. Push up the path! I'm telling people to push up the path. The path's clear! Where the gate is clear! Smoke! What container? I've got one behind a barrel.
Push up if you can.
Push!
In my pocket.
Ah!
I'm my perimeter.
I am my perimeter. My perimeter is me.
Crack me, sir.
Oh yeah, you've got a lot of red on you for a blue team.
And you go.
And you're good.
That's why that guy shot me arson over there.
Probably. Push in! Hit! Try him.
Is that going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tyler Curran on YouTube. Curran. Or OnlyFans, one over. I thought they weren't allowed out at the street. Watch the right.
What do I do now? Like, am I...
Yeah, but you can medic now. You need to respawn up there though. Which? Hit! Good shot. There's a guy behind this bush to your right. Sorry. That wasn't blue. Shit, I apologize. Do you tech friendly? I don't know. I'll come revive you. I'll come redeem myself.
Because that's what heroes do.
Powerful.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sorry, mate.
Right.
Get your band ready.
What, do you think we were red?
Yeah, I just saw movement in trees and you were really far down. I didn't realise we were this far down. I'm behind you. Oh, fuck. I didn't realise we were that far down. Sorry.
No, it's all good.
Redeemed myself.
Not there. Keep right, this is not a Diddy party. No one gets excited.
Everybody know ain't no party like a Diddy party, so.
Anyone else want to join us?
Straight across. Green building. Through the tanks.
There is a sniper there. I'm going to push around. He can't shoot me while I'm moving, can he? Hit. Never mind.
Psych!
Where did that even come from? Oh, I know where it is now. Move that way. Move that way.
I'm in danger.
Double kill.
Definitely dead.
Let the dead out, guys. Watch your fire.
Move up! I knew. Oh, that stinks, that. I wouldn't have liked to have been in there.
Nice and loud as well.
Is that a yellow band behind you?
That yellow band behind you.
You got a bayonet, I am. You charge him.
I'm not. It's sick.
Hit. What the fuck? That was a good shot.
Yeah, I was very good.
Tell you what, it's a good job these aren't real guns because you're all flagging each other. Car. This car that I'm going to throw a grenade at.
Right, I'll just shoot one.
Where the yellow barrel is.
No, the new
Two blue, yellow barrel.
just in that gap there. This gap where the blue is, yeah? Where the flag is, next to the flag. Watch yourself. Back up a sec. Back up a sec, I'm gonna grenade them, but I can't get to it where you are.
Yeah,
that's better. Yeah.
Grenade!
Ah! One.
Stop! The ball's down. Yeah, there. Guys, hold there. Get out. Thank you.
Step back.
Huh?
There's a few dead people out.
I see dead people.
Run. Yeah, they run and they all died.
I don't even know where they are. Who just whispered everywhere in my ear? That was fucking weird. That was like a voice in my head.
I got voices in my head again.
Shalom to you all.
Shalom.
We are going to sing one birthday one, guys, on the final U.
All of them. All of even.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Hey!